I'm Chris from Feathr. Today, you're going to learn about the key that makes the whole Feathr machine work, the Feathr Superpixel. The Feathr Superpixel is a snippet of JavaScript to add to your website. With just these 12 short lines of code, the Superpixel adds powerful data and analytics tracking to your website, giving you incredible insights into your online audience. With the Superpixel installed on your website, you gain access to a wealth of data about your individual web visitors, including what pages they've been browsing and when, where they come from, and much more. Place your Superpixel on a global element of your website, such as the header or footer. That way, it can track browsing data on every page of your site. The more data you collect, the better prepared you will be to do your best and most targeted marketing. If your organization has more than one website, place the Superpixel on all of them. Do you use a third-party vendor for registration or membership? Ask your vendors to place the Feathr Superpixel on your registration confirmation pages too. That enables you to track any registrations or new members joining as a result of your Feathr campaigns. The Feathr Superpixel does not track any personally identifiable information, such as names or email addresses. If members of your audience volunteer that information, Feathr ID can connect it to your Feathr account. After placing the Superpixel across all of your web properties, you can sit back and watch the data roll in. So what's next? Filtering that data into meaningful segments to use in your campaigns. To learn more about segments, click right here. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.